Assalamu alaikum, dear students. It is 1st of June 2021, Tuesday. It is class 11th, subject education. Dear students, today we are going to discuss the third chapter of the syllabus. The title of this chapter is Understanding Agencies of Education. In this chapter, we will discuss the meaning of agencies of education. What are the agencies of education? What are the types of agencies of education? Formal agencies of education, informal agencies of education, non-formal agencies of education. In this chapter, we will discuss these in detail, inshallah, in the lectures to come. Today, let's try to understand what are the agencies of education. Dear students, agencies of education are the specialized and non-specialized institutions which society has developed to carry out the functions of education. Govrio, agencies of education gay tim idar, tim cheese, tim means, tim wasil, yemo zari ak samaj talim hasil karan chu. Yim talim denich yim ekis insanas ekis society members individuals heshnawan ch mukhtalif andazo mukhtalif tariqo emis educate karan ch emis morally educate karan ch emis socially educate karan ch emis spiritually educate karan ch emis in manners emis on character emis personality yathmaz emis on sori development gasan ch athmaz ch mukhtalif agencies role karan. You should kunnat kuni ekand ak cheese ak say cheese ek cheese nishi ak cheese hecha kunis kun wuchit chi byak cheese hecha ish kunjay kaht bozan kuni zari such bana emsundi heshnuk ak zari society mazi pheran shu school shu gasa cinema shu gasa yahaz ye masjid chu gasa darsgah chu gasa mehfilan man shu behama garas man shu behama kath baat karan sharing of ideas shi karan ye shu hecha emsinis ilmus man chu lagatar izaf rozan gasa mukhtalif zariyo chi pani information upgrade rozan karan no hecha yim sari cheez jam imis maz ilmuk izaf karan chu imis maz information emis maz ana chu emis ilmiyat diwan chu emis waqfiyat diwan chu dunya ken mukhtalif मामलातन हंस मुख्तलिफ चीजन हंस अमन च वनाय मसे के एजेंसीज ऑफ एजुकेशन दिम च तालीम हंस एजेंसीज टीवी छु रेडियो छु मे वनाय घर छु स्कूल छु दरसगाह छु महफिल छु दुकान दरबार छु यमन मज इंसान बहरहाल जे इंसान गसान छु केनत के छु अति हेचन यपर ये हेचन छु यम चीज एमिस अत हेचनस मज मदद करान छु हेचनावान छु एमसी तालीम मज इजाफ करान एमसस मालूमात बढ़ावान छु एमिस हेचनावान छु वथुन बिहोन कथ करुन खुन चुन यम सारे छु अत मज मसे गए तमाम एजेंसीज ऑफ एजुकेशन तवै छु अस वना एजेंसीज ऑफ एजुकेशन आर द specialized and non-specialized institutions which society has developed to carry out the functions of education. Specialized to unspecialized, non-specialized क्या गो? Specialized गो यम इस मतलब स्कूल चीज़ यम चे specialized आमित करने यम चे इमी गर्ज बने इमित कि यम दिन लूकन तरबियत तालीम मिले लूकन तरबियत गए लूकन non-specialized गए तिम जाय यमन जायन इस खुद पट का एहतमाम छन एस कोरमुत इमन हुत कि छन एस एम मकसद खतर तमीर करमित कि मगर एम छी मकसद पूरा करा एत छी बच हेछा केनत कि या इंसान हेछा केनत कि यमन छन एस मसे के एजेंसीज ऑफ एजुकेशन इस पट हेको वस समझित बाय एजेंसीज ऑफ एजुकेशन वी मीन दोज इंस्टीट्यूशंस दोज ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस और दोज रिसोर्सेज या सोर्सेज which play significant role in the process of education. These institutions of education have been variously classified by different educationists. Some of the major classifications are as formal agencies of education, informal agencies of education. Yim gay major types of education, agencies of education. Let's try to understand what are the formal agencies of education. Dear students, formal agencies of education are those which have a predetermined location, time, aim, plan, curriculum, or program, as well as trained educators. Formal has a tim agencies of formal agencies. Human location as godethe mutayin kerit, time as mutayin kerit, karchu gasun, karchu hichun, karchu parun, aim chu maksad kya pat imis bachas nish, imis kya chu banun, kya chu ajat banaun, planning chu bronte, curriculum chu tartib dit, kya activities karin, program chu tartib dit, achu ak trained ustad imin khatar, tayinat yusuman hishnawan chu, you go yasagay, you achuna yasagay formal, mesagay formal agencies of education. Formal agencies of education man schools, religious institutions, libraries, organized recreation centers like museums, art galleries, sports clubs, sari atmaz. Yim godethe ami devise karna, plan karna, tartib banavna, establish karna, taki at heshnavuk is bache talim, at heshnavuk karo is bachan tarbiyat. Bia go informal agencies of education. That means informal agencies of education are those in which education is imparted informally and unconsciously. Ach ama talim den magar ishu achin ka planned, predetermined, achin ka aim set karit ki, achin ka time set karit ki, achin ka curriculum frame karit ki, ishu unconsciously, unintentionally, informally these agencies lack formality, rules, systemization, pre-planning. Formalities, rules, systemization, kus period, pre-planning. They have no code of discipline. Achun kah discipline no khayal ta khul kar band kar gais. Kem saat kya chu parun, kus kitab chu parin, achun kah emuk yasa ye kah bandish net ki. Some of the informal agencies of education are family chu, playground chu, youth membership groups chu. Yem chu atmaz yem gai informal agencies of education. Dear students, certain agencies are developed with the specific and exclusive objectives of imparting education. Agencies says banat school chu, college chu, religious institutions chu, yem is tayar kara kuni khas maqsad khatir, ka khas maqsad hasil karne khatir. Masan school chu, college chu, university chu. Yem agencies formal agencies of education. Formal agencies of education. Ithe burden hako is majid samjit ki tim agencies of education. Yemen has ka function chana specific ya exclusive asan ki talim denich. There are certain other agencies, the specific and exclusive functions of which is not to impart education. Eman asan ye talim denuk chan eman asan zemki, but their educative influence cannot be ignored. But empty ch ekis bajas pet ak asar murattab kara. Emis kunnat kun rang educate kara. Masalan gar chu, community chu, professional organizations, youth clubs, yim agencies, informal agencies of education wana. Atti ch bache wariyah education imo agencies zariye hasil karan bagair kuni ya say conscious ya deliberate koshish nam karan ki without any conscious and deliberate effort. These agencies diffuse and transmit culture and knowledge from one generation to another in an informal, unorganized manner. Informal agencies of education should transmit culture, knowledge, gair mahsoos andazas maz eki generation pet beki generation kon. Dear students, I hope you will have understood the meaning of agencies of education and the major two types of these agencies of education, which is formal and informal. And today, inshallah, we will proceed further. Till then, bye. Assalamu alaikum.